So this is my little project. I call it the VibroPunk Sequencer, and it's a glorified sound maker. It starts with an Atari Punk console, the classic, that I added in a low frequency oscillator and some other options and a sequencer. And anyway, I'll give you a quick run through of what it does and what it sounds like. So that's just the basic Atari Punk console, which is these two red controls. And you can get a fair variety of sounds out of the those of you who've made these before and used them have a pretty good idea what they can do. So we also have a low frequency oscillator, which is indicated by this yellow LED up here, and you can kick that in. This is the depth, how much influence it has on the Punk console, and you can change the clock speed of that too, all the way up to pretty much a sine wave. You can also control the Punk console part with light sensitive resistors. You flip that switch and this pot no longer works. This light sensitive resistor takes over. So you can use an overhead light or a flashlight or any source of light to control that. You can do the same with the top one, although it doesn't seem to be quite as interesting. This also has a sequencer built in, 8-step sequencer. Kick that on, adjust yourself to a sound, and each of the channels of the sequencer can be adjusted individually. Each give a different sound, different tone. You can also cut it down from 8 to 4, or even 2 or 1 channel if you like. I also put in a clock stop, so you can put a hold on the clock and move the sequencer through one step at a time, and then you can tune each channel of the sequencer however you like, and then start the clock up again. This is the clock speed for the sequencer. You can kick this puppy up quite a ways. And get all kinds of weird patterns. And you can get some pretty interesting sounds and some not so interesting sounds. Anyway, it has a lot of knobs and switches to play with, and the kids seem to have a lot of fun with it. So if you'd like to build one for yourself or for the kids or the grandkids, keep reading and I'll show you how I did it. Thanks.